Welcome to the Horo T38 installation video. First of all, you need to measure the distances between the holes. The distance between the downspout center of the toilet and the wall should be at least 300 millimeters. Second of all, you have to install the ceramic. Make sure you have all the parts before you install them. Install and fix the flange. Mark the holes with a marker, then remove the flanges and drill holes in the marked spots. After drilling, plug the expansion bolts into the hole. If it doesn't work, you can hammer it into a hole slowly. Then the flange is aligned with the hole and fixed. Put the screws into the holes in the flange, and then fasten the screws with a screwdriver. Next, position the two mounting blocks on opposite sides of the flange plate and secure them with bolts. Finally, tighten it with screws. Now, take out the wax ring and place it on the bottom outlet of the ceramic. And then later, you can connect the base underneath the toilet to the flange slowly. The third thing is to install T's and corrugated pipes. Connect the toilet bellows to the T-angle valve and tighten them. Now the fourth and the last thing you need to do is to check the power function. After connected to the power supplies, press that flash button to check whether the toilet is leaking or not. Put the screw through the fixing sleeve and then install it through the holes on both sides of the toilet ceramic to the mounting blocks on the ground and lock tight with a tool, and put the decorative cap on the fixing sleeve. Finally, put glass cement along the junctions, pottery, and porcelain and ground connection. Here we are. This is the Horo T38 Smart Toilet, and you can control everything using this remote. Horo Smart Toilet, super good and easy to use.